Mama, I'm gonna bother you. So, what's our word of the day, Ilocano, Mama? Inted. Inted.
Inted.
What's inted?
Binigay.
English?
Give away.
Example.
Oh,
Example, inted.
this is what my uncle gave me yesterday.
Yeah. Dagitoy ti inted ni uncle ko, idi kalman. Dagitoy ti inted ni uncle ko, idi kalman. Tagalog. For
Ito ang binigay ni uncle ko
kahapon.
kahapon.
For Tagalog speakers who wants to learn Ilocano. And that's all. That's just a quick Ilocano word of the day. Inted. Inted. Hi, Uncle.
Nga, ada dyan ni Kwa.
Iti inted na ni Uncle.
Ada dyan nga Kwa.
Butas.
Parang kantalo. Ani Joe.
Ada jay nga ton ne.
Huwag nga road. Ano kaya itong mga nakahapay na ito?